Hey, it's another day. How's everybody doing? Hope your weekend's going good. Everyone's getting to relax, get your drink on, do whatever you want to do that you don't do during the week at work while y'all frustrated and crazy. It's crazy how we get through the work week like little robots, only to spend 2 days off doing whatever the heck we want, which for most people is nothing, because some people just want to relax and do nothing. Me, I want to back comb my hair and style my hair and live luxurious. I feel like I need to do stuff on my weekend, and most of it's filled with cleaning and laundry and stuff that I haven't done all week while I was working, and that's not fun. That's life. So a little back combing. Whew. And when you got hair in your mouth, disgusting. All this hair that you've had up all week. But it's your day off and you just want to do some back combing. I know it's everybody's first day back to work. Bring your hair back to life. Throw some back combing in it, right? Let's throw our hair up today. I don't know how we're gonna do it. I need some suggestions. I'm starting to get bored of this hairstyling altogether, I tell you. Go to the side. We'll just experiment and try something new. And if it doesn't come out, I don't care. I'll rock it. I'll wear it like that, and I'll act like it was totally on purpose and I meant to do it, and I don't care. People will still be amazed because my hair is curling up, even if it looks crazy. I do that to little old ladies all the time. I see them at Walmart and I'm like, girl, look at you, you're amazing. And they have some weird, crazy bun thing on their head or whatever they attempted. At least they attempted, okay? That's all I can say. Attempted. You know me, I just make crap up. How are you gonna know what styles are cute or cool if you don't make it up? Look at that. Little 80s ponytail bun, holla. If I had enough hair to do 2 on each side, that would be spectacular, but I don't. Look at there, look at there. Who doesn't want to wear their hair like this on their day off? St. Patrick's Day is almost here. I'm excited. Green beer, Guinness, Jack Daniels. Give it to me now, please. It's my everyday excursion. So there we go. Up to the side. Some people might be like, Eileen, that is ugly as heck. You know what? I don't care. If I had a little flower over here, I'd throw it in my hair and show you what it's all about, but I don't. My dang girls took it all. But you want to put a little flower right here, accent your cute little updo, and then you're perfectly fine. People will not think you're crazy for your 80s side big fat ball of an updo if you have a flower in it. 2 flowers. 3 flowers is even better. Tres flores back in the day, if you know what I'm talking about. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Like this video, subscribe, tell your friends. We're doing crazy updos. We're making shit up. We don't give a freak what anybody says. I don't, you shouldn't, we shouldn't, nobody should. As long as you feel good, your hair looks good, and you feel put together, that's all that matters. Crazy old lady updos from Walmart? Yes, do them, honey, okay? Thank y'all. See you later.